Hey, what's up, everyone? If you have a Nintendo game like that, the one I have, a Nintendo Switch, like it belongs to my daughter. Anytime I open Minecraft, it take a couple minutes, like at least 10-15 minutes. The screen goes to black and come back after 10-15 minutes and says the software was closed because error occurred or something like that. If your game is crashing, then I have a really quick fix. How you can fix? Let's show you. I talked to the game help team, but they were not able to help me. Then I figured out by myself. Like, so just close, go to Minecraft, and if you have a recently created your profile, then go to the old profile. Like I'm using this one, the old one. My daughter made a new one, and new one didn't work. You just need to go back to your profile, the old profile, and old profile will work. I'm not sure what happened, but she created a new game player which one was not able to open that game. Anytime I open with that one, is keep saying crashed or error or something. As soon as I go back to the old one, like she has a like old character, or I'm not sure what you call. I don't play this game, my daughter play, like old profile. I click on it, then here we go. You are able to get into Nintendo Switch game. You can play Minecraft. I see there was the same issue with the other two more games. So any game on Nintendo Switch, you have an issue, you can fix by just using your different profile. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.